I am challenging myself to see how much money I can make sneaker reselling in 7 days. However, it's with a twist. If you have been following me, you will know that I am a sneaker botter. I make the majority of my money sneaker botting. All of these shoes here are bought for retail and resell them for a very, very good profit. Retail 160, resell £400. But sneaker botting does come with their downfalls. Not only everyone hating you because you're stealing their pairs, but also the unreliability of the sneaker drops. Because being a sneaker botter, you rely on profitable sneaker releases. If there's no profitable sneaker releases, I'm not making any money. So we're going to be going to crep cities, we're going to be buying for resale, and we're even going to be going to outlets to see how much money I can make in 7 days without sneaker botting or hitting hype pairs for retail. Let's get this party started and go to London Crep City. We are at London Box Park, Crep City, and today we are cashing out some people. We're going to go around, see what people are saying, we've got some money to spend, and we'll see how it goes. I was gassed, I was ready to buy some shoes until I had a look at the prices. I'm not slating any of the sellers because I would do the exact same at Crep City London. However, in terms of reselling, there wasn't much margins to be made. It went a little something like this. 280 and 310.
We're going for like 350, 380. Remember, it's the buy now, final price.
I'm working about 20 below ask, that's how I work.
I don't think you're thinking ahead.
I'm a yes or no, that's it.
Fair enough.
But I wasn't going to let this stop me. We're at Crep City London. I've got to buy some sneakers here, and we kept on offering, and we managed to secure our first deal. On the 335, 20 on them, and that's, I can't go much more. They want a coin flip. 780 to 800. Yeah. Tails, you go for tails. Tails, you go 800. We may have taken the loss in the coin flip, however, we have still got our first deal, and that was 1 pair of Lost and Founds and 2 pairs of Jordan 4 Thunders. With Crep City being an absolute massive fail, we needed to go to plan B. And after thinking long and hard and very confused, I had the idea. All the years I've been reselling, I've made some good connections. So let's buy some shoes off other people. And that's exactly what I did. And it started to pick up. Right, well, where are we at the moment? Now, buying has been going really, really well. We've also made a couple risks that may bite me in the bum in a little bit. However, we've also got some new purchases to show you guys. Now, I did mention I'm going to go to some outlets, and here's some footage of going to the outlets, which I am going to show you. I did mention we're going to buy some clothes by going to outlets, and that's exactly what we have done. So I'll overlay the footage as I'm speaking. So this was the new outlet that came up in Croydon. As you can see by the videos, there was quite a lot of stuff there, but something stood out to me, and these were these tech fleeces retailing for £60 for the full set. So these are the jogging bottoms, the zip up as well. So we're talking a full set for only £62. This was something I could not resist on. So we have also picked up quite a couple tech fleeces to try and sell as well. So we managed to get 3 grey tech fleeces and also a navy tech fleece, all for £62 each. So we're looking very, very good. But how much have we spent to give you a realistic expectation? So far we've spent just over the £5,000 mark in a space of literally 3-4 days. Buying is the easy part. Now, how much money are we actually going to make, and how much money are we aiming to make? Now, me personally, I'm looking to make around the 10 to 20% margin. So if I can make anywhere between £500 and £1,000 within this week, I think that's very, very good money. Considering this is not my main source of income, my main source of income being sneaker botting, this is just an extra to add on. And while an average millionaire has over 7 streams of income, so this could be another stream of income. Anyway, we really need to get selling and see how much money we can make, because this could completely flop and we could actually end up losing money. But moving on, have you always wondered how people make money sneaker reselling? Well, when I started, I did. In fact, when I started, I spent hours a day just to find out what sneakers are releasing and how it's even possible to cop these sneakers. But I've got a solution for you guys, because I made my own group where we teach you everything you need to know about sneaker reselling. The upcoming releases, how to cop these, how to start sneaker botting, one-on-one support, brick flips, what to go for. We have it all. In fact, I have taught hundreds of people to do the exact same thing as me, and while the feedback, it doesn't lie. And this can be proven with our 100% 5-star ratings within our page. We have taught people who knew nothing about sneaker reselling to making thousands a month from sneaker botting, brick flips, building a brand for themselves, and much more. Now, if this does sound of interest to you, you're in some luck today. We're offering a 7-day free trial to join the group KaiKicks Apprentice. And there's no hidden contracts, you can cancel at any time, you can cancel before you're charged, you can join for 7 days and then leave without paying a single penny. But you may as well give it a go at least. And if you do make money and you want to stay, which I promise you will, we only charge £35 a month after this, only if you want to stay. And with members making hundreds or even thousands a month from sneaker reselling, I think this is a good trade-off, because we can get you there. Top link down in the description below if you are interested in joining. Let's get selling these sneakers. Well. It is currently day 4 of this 1-week challenge. Now, this is the day where I'll hopefully be talking about all the sales I'll be getting, all the hours I'll be spending packaging orders and so on. But the unthinkable happened. Last night I spent many hours getting all of my listings on eBay, listing on Instagram's marketplaces and so on, and I spent hours doing this. And some bad news has come in. Basically, I've got to get out of here for a week. One of my friends who I was with yesterday has got a positive test for COVID. Yep, even I didn't think COVID was still around. Well, why should this affect me? Well, it doesn't directly affect me. However, due to family and friends, I cannot stay here until I can test 5 days later. COVID can take up to 5 days to show that if I have it, and I can't risk the people around me getting COVID. I will not have access here, I won't be able to ship any shoes off, I won't be able to sell any shoes for another 5 days. I actually can't believe this has happened. Morale is low, however, I'm not going to let this stop what we're doing. So we are pausing this series at day 4, and I guess you guys are going to have to wait for part 2. I'm going to make sure we come back better, stronger, and we make more money. So let's hold the days at day 4, and I'll see you guys for part 2. Like today's video, comment what you think about this video, subscribe to the channel. Let's destroy this 7-day challenge. If you want to join KaiKicks Apprentice, a group where we teach you everything about reselling, top link down in the description below, 7-day free trial.